One of the things I definitely know that is unique to our profession, and our industry for that matter, is the amount of give back that we do. And in this conference alone, you're going to actually hear from potentially 40 of your peers who are giving up their intellectual property for your benefit. They're not going to hide anything. They're going to give you what works for them or what didn't work. That's priceless.
It is so important at this time that we are united. You know, we hear about having one voice. Well, my mantra is have one message. We can have many voices. Many of you are the voices, but we need to have one message. And one thing that came quite clear to me when I came into this role is that when we're representing our industry, our people, our profession, when we have something that we really believe in, we need to make sure that we are singing from the same song sheet.
And that's my message. We've got to be creative, we've got to be innovative, because change is the constant. Things are never going to be the same. There's always going to be change upon us.
Industry to truly unite, as the theme of your conference suggests, and ultimately thrive, it is essential that we all work together to lift professional standards, and the government is committed to making this happen.
Those most successful financial planners in the world have banned the word me, my, and I from their business vocabulary and replaced it with we, our, and us.
How many times you heard, I'm doing business, I'm doing good business, I'm doing well? A load of crap. You've got to conduct business. Conducting business is creating opportunities. It's talking to the right people at the right time. It's connecting the right people at the right time. You're conducting.
Your physical and your mental health. That is the most important thing. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You have to take care of yourselves. Self-care is such a discipline. You have to make sure you're on the top of your to-do list and doing things every day to nourish yourself.
Yeah, I think if there's one thing in this whole episode that I'm proud of was to find the courage to make that decision at that point, especially with the first couple of kids. And I just kept coming back to the idea that, again, if and when these children drowned, they would be asleep and they wouldn't know anything about it. So I had to do something, and I guess that's where I found that courage.